Okay, good afternoon and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how you can create your own fidget spinner. So first we're going to load Design Spark Mechanical. I'm going to go ahead and create File New Design. I'm going to go ahead and change this down. Change this here to Plan View. Clicking that eye icon. We have to change to millimeters, so we're going to go ahead File, Design Spark Options, Units. And then if it's not already on metric, go ahead and put it on metric and then click OK. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and let's get our circles in there. We want the first circle to be 22 millimeters. Okay, now we want to go ahead and go move. Select that, come over here to create pattern. And then we want to move it up. Let's go tab to 24. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and click on this. We're going to say move. We're going to create pattern. We're going to come down to here. Now we're going to spin this around. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and get our circle tool. We're going to create a circle that's 30 millimeters. 30, 30, 30, and the last one will be 30. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and Control minus to zoom out. We're going to go get our line tool. Actually, we don't need that. Click off of it. Go Control plus. I'm going to grab our trim away tool. Actually, undo. Get this one. Go ahead and get rid of all these pieces that you don't need. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and put a radius in here. So we'll go ahead and get our 3-point arch. All right, I'll click there. Now we're going to click on that 3-point arch that we just created. We're going to say move. We're going to come over here to create pattern. We're going to drag this to the center. Now we're going to click and drag. Okay, click off. We'll grab our select tool. Now we're going to go ahead and get our trim away tool. Trim away these extra bits that we don't need. Okay, now we're going to go Control minus. Now we're going to spin. Get the pull tool. We're going to click on, type in 7. It's going to be a 7 millimeter 5 spinner, or a 5 bearing spinner. So we'll go ahead and get rid of these inside pieces. We don't need those anymore. Hold down Control key, get all of them. Now we're going to give this a little bit of a spin. go ahead and double click or click till the outside is selected. And we're going to click and drag. We want to put in let's put 2 millimeters. Okay, now we're going to do the same for this. So we'll go ahead and spin around to the back. Go ahead and get pull. Click till everything is, and then go ahead and type in 2. Okay, now we'll go to top view. Okay, this is going to be, we don't need this piece here. We can get rid of this. So I'll go ahead and spin this. The top view. Looks like there's something there, but I can't seem to get rid of it. Okay, we'll leave it. Okay, it's that surface right there. There it is. So right mouse click, let's say delete. Okay, now we're good. Okay, this is going to be our the end of the tutorial. This is going to be our fidget spinner. Could also make one that just has 3 instead of 5. I wanted to be a little bit, mine to be a little bit different, so I went ahead and created one with 5 bearings. Go ahead and do the isometric view. Okay, that's going to end the tutorial. If you found anything useful out of this tutorial, please consider liking and subscribing. And thank you for watching.